guys, welcome back. I'm Andrea.
And I'm Larry.
And today we have a magical pick-me-up box.
Yes, these are my favorite.
Are they?
They are.
This is November's box.
Okay.
We've been gone in Disney World, so it's been just hanging out here until
waiting to be opened. Finally,
right.
Today's the day.
Right. So there's two boxes. It's a monthly subscription box. There's two different sizes. So there's a mini, and then we have the bigger size.
Nice.
So yeah,
Okay.
Are you ready to open it?
Yep, magical things inside. I'm ready to go.
Magical things inside.
Yes, yes, yes.
Look at the bottom. It's cute. It's got stuff all over.
Yeah, it does.
The thumbs up.
It reminds me of, maybe because I'm hungry right now, but the box reminds me of gingerbread and icing. So, yeah.
He loves gingerbread.
I do
from
really
Disney.
like gingerbread. Yeah, it's really
And
good.
then she always puts this cute little card. This one says, Merry Christmas to one and all. Dear Andrea and Larry, happy holidays, best wishes, Olivia.
Yes. Thank you, Olivia.
Yes. Olivia. She's got really good handwriting too.
All right.
This is super cute.
What do we got?
It's a magnet
magnets.
set.
Oh, cool.
But they're Christmas themed.
Oh, nice.
It does say Hong Kong Disneyland.
Mm-hmm.
It's got Mickey, Donald. Who's that? Oh, that's Goofy. Goofy's right there. What is he doing? He's just saying yay. He's got a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
And then it's got Pluto with Christmas lights, Daisy. Is that Mickey? Oh,
one's
that
Minnie.
one. That one
That
was
was
Minnie,
Mickey.
and that one's Mickey. I can't see from here, but they're really cute.
Yeah.
And then you can tell they're magnets.
Mm-hmm.
How cute!
Very cool.
I like those.
Check those out.
Oh, this one has a box. So when you look inside, it's got the blue foozles.
I really feel like the merch and such from like Hong Kong stuff, they've really nailed the details on everything. Where there's got little Mickey on the Christmas bulbs, and it's just really, they just got it down. Awesome.
Okay. So we have a box, but I see something over here.
Oh, what's that? Holy, what is that?
I think it's a bag
that's
charm.
oh, it is, but
It's
oh
a
my
bag
gosh.
charm.
What? No.
It's one of the chipmunks
Yeah.
as a snowman.
Oh, okay. Okay, I thought it was.
Does it say?
I was thinking it was something else.
Doesn't say which one. It looks like it's Chip, because he's got the black nose.
Oh, okay.
Like a chocolate chip.
Sure, gotcha. So very cool.
Make sure that.
Plush keychain.
That is neat.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be great to put on our bag during Christmas
Yeah.
season.
Mm-hmm. So I'm just trying to show off this chain here. Look at that bad boy.
That's cool.
Yeah. And then this guy. I guess we're gonna say this is Chip.
Right. Look at his
it's
glasses.
Chip.
Got
Very
gingerbread on them and some holly.
festive glasses
Very
going
festive.
on.
He is
Yeah.
soft too.
He is really soft. And he's got some little arms here. Ooh, here, a little scarf. Very cool.
That is neat.
Yeah, this chain is heavy duty though. Look at
Yeah, it
that
is.
thing. It's nice.
Do you have your knife?
I do.
Awesome.
Let's see here.
I'll let you do it.
Okay. Let's do a little.
Oh, I'm excited for this one.
Slice and a little right along the top. There we go.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, we're gonna need it again.
Yep. It's in styrofoam.
Mm-hmm.
And there's no picture, so no peeking,
No, that's good.
right?
That's good. Yeah. Okay. So, right there.
I'm excited. It's gonna be a good one.
Yeah, this is cool.
I think it's an ornament. I think it said ornament on the box.
It did. Okay.
Are you ready?
I think we're good.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
That's cool. Wow.
Okay, take them out of the bag.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
I think it lights up too.
It does light up. Where do you turn it on at?
Kind of like the one we had.
Oh, right there. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Here you go. Look at that.
Look at that. I don't know if you can see. Here, I'm going to turn it off. But it's glass, and it's got some snowflakes on the ears.
Little hidden Mickeys and the snowflakes there, of course, in the center.
And it's got Minnie and Mickey. And you can see their snowmen that look like them. And then Share the Magic. It's kind of hard to see with there. Mickey and Minnie. And here's Donald and Chip and Dale and Goofy, and got some nuts and holly. Share the Magic. And then, yeah,
That's
isn't that cool?
Yeah, it is.
Cool to get something from there.
Yeah, it is.
You know? I love it. Thank you, Olivia. I love this. Goodness.
Yep.
What do you think?
It's cool. Yeah, it's very cool. Wow, it lights up like that.
Mm-hmm.
It's awesome. Yep, got them all on there.
Right? That's good to
Chip
put.
and Dale on the back too.
Do you have the
Along with
styrofoam?
the oh, here's
Yeah.
the top
I want to
half.
put it back in the styrofoam just because I don't want it to break.
Oh yeah.
That's really
For
neat.
sure. That's cool how it lights up.
Mm-hmm.
Very clever little.
Very Christmas box.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah. You want to put it back in a little plastic
Yeah.
bag too? Or
no.
just us?
Just
Okay.
that. That's fine. Clean that up later.
Okay.
Yay. I'll link down below Magical Pick Me Up.
Gonna put it back in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I think I still have a 10% off code that I can find for your first box if you guys want to try it out. It's so fun because you never know what you're going to get.
Mm-hmm.
And they have different stuff than our parks here. So
Yeah.
it's exciting.
I'm checking out the bag or keychain. I was just looking at it again.
You like it?
But it's cool. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of bag charms, keychains. I like these magnets too.
Mm-hmm. Those are fun.
Yeah, Hong Kong Disneyland right on there. It's cool.
Does it say? Yeah, it says
Is it
Hong
yeah,
Kong
the
on
bottom,
each one of
on the
them. It
bottom.
would be fun
Except
to
for this
give.
one, it says Holiday Magic. A couple of them say Holiday Magic,
Okay.
and the other ones say Hong Kong
Kong.
Disneyland.
That'd be fun to like give in stockings and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
People that love Disney as much as we do.
Yeah. Very cool.
Yeah. All right.
So excellent box, Olivia. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Yes, we loved it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.
And hit that bell so you know when we upload new videos.
Yep. And you can have more of us.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.
All right. Bye.
Bye.